Good afternoon, everybody. This is my 11th lecture regarding the health series. Actually, we are going in a sequence of the various lectures, but this 11th lecture I am inserting in between concerned with the coronavirus. Now, all of you know that coronavirus is spreading all over the world and it is infecting millions of the people. Now, it is very highly contagious disease and it is spreading to aerosol, means someone sneezes, coughs, or even if you come with the contact with a person who is suffering from corona, a droplet infection is there and you will get infected. It is so infectious that within no time the around people will get infected. Its incubation period is in 10 to 15 days, and after 15 days you get the symptoms. So, and even we don't know after the cure whether the person is carrier or not. 80% people are the healthy carriers, means they are not suffering at all, but they are spreading the disease. So elderly people suffering from diabetes, having some pre-existing disease like kidney disease or hypertension, or whose immunity is reduced, or chronic respiratory complaint patients, they are the victims for the death. And you know that all over the world, especially Italy, France, America, the death rate is very high. Now in India it is spreading very rapidly in all the states and districts. Now it has reached, now there is a fear that India will go to the third stage of the disease. Now various treatments are going on for this virus. For example, giving the chloroquine, giving antiviral drugs, those that are used for the treatment of AIDS. A plasma therapy is also tried. Meanwhile, the scientists are busy with preparing a vaccine. Once vaccine is prepared and it is ready to use, then it could be have the real control over the viral infection. Till the time it will do its job, it will spread all the word and kill the majority of the people, those they are victim for it. So it becomes difficult nowadays to how to avoid this. Now I am putting a very different sort of a thought process regarding this. Now I told you how the world was formed as per the modern physics and as per the yogic sciences. Modern physics says that there is energy got materialized into the matter, then galaxies and solar systems were formed and our earth came into the existence, and water was there, and initial unicellular organism was developed in the seawater, and then the evolution took place that fishes and amphibians, then reptiles, then other animals and apes and humans. Now, as per the spiritual sciences, what they say that there is a universal consciousness, a concept of God, and this consciousness gets multiplied into thousands of the consciousness, and each living organism over the earth is a part of that universal consciousness. The universal consciousness, with the help of energy, produce this world. So concept of God and universal consciousness is there in the spiritual sciences, while in physics it is not there. Now it is a time, now what I am telling you this, it is a time to test this hypothesis. How will you test it? I will give few examples. Now there is a thought process going on. Can a psyche or a mind or a consciousness act over a matter? Means what? You are sitting over here and with the help of your willpower, can you move one object from one place to another? If you can able to move it, a psyche can act over a matter. That is a proof. Now, you may find it very imaginary, but there are few sort of people over the earth, they are giving live demonstrations of this over the stage. One is Leonard Shishard. He is a mentalist. What he can do? He is bending the spools just by looking them. He can make the things to move. Not only that, he can insert his thought into your thought and you will think as he wants. So it is very surprising that his demonstrations are there. You can go to YouTube and you can see it. Another is the Yuri from the Israel. He used to bend the keys just looking through over them. Now one of his clips I've seen, in which what he has done, he has kept the tomato seeds over his palm and put his finger and he ordered grow. And surprisingly, what happened that the sprouting took place to the tomato seed. Now, if this hypothesis is true, with the help of the willpower, you can cure own diseases. Means, if you daily give very strong suggestion to yourself that my cancer cells will stop growing, probably the disease process will get slowed down, or even you may get a cure. So for maintaining good health, your auto suggestions, your willpower, probably desire to live, and your strong emotions can affect it. This is what I want to tell you. So it is always said that once a patient loses the courage to fight with the disease, generally he deteriorates very fast. So it is a doctor's responsibility to encourage the patient to fight with the disease till the time he feels within that, okay, I can defeat the disease and I will survive and I'll get cure from the disease. With these strong emotions and willpower, a person can live longer and sometimes even he will get a cure from disease like a cancer. I've seen AIDS patient with strong willpower living years together. Now, coming to a collective consciousness. If all the people over the earth have some constant strong feeling that this should happen over the earth, probably it will get materialized. This is the theme behind it. So what I suggest, if you want to stop this coronavirus, all the people from all over the world should fix up 2 to 3 times in a day and simultaneously express their strong and sincere desire that coronavirus should stop growing or it should get killed. If this desire is repeated twice or thrice a day for 3, 4, 5 days, I am sure that the whole infection will spread down, will stop. At the most, its rate of spreading will stop. Now, you may find this is as an imaginary sort of a thinking process, but if we believe over the universal consciousness, if you believe that psych acts over a matter, probably this will turn true. So what I suggest that this video should get spread all over the world, and people, at least those they are interested, should make a group, and then they should send a sort of group, and they should prepare such timings and collectively express their sincere and strong thoughts, and probably then the virus infection will stop.